10 interesting facts about 3D printer. 1. 3D printing isn't exactly new. The technology actually dates back to the 1980s. Chuck Hull, the founder of 3D Systems, invented stereolithography, which is a form of 3D printing. He patented it in 1986, so it's been around for a while. 2. 3D printers use a variety of materials, not just plastic. You can print with metals like titanium, stainless steel, and even gold. There are also ceramics, nylon, carbon fiber, and even food-grade materials. The possibilities are really expanding. 3. 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing. Instead of traditional methods like machining or molding, 3D printing allows for on-demand production of complex parts. This is especially useful for prototyping and creating customized products. 4. Medical applications are huge. Surgeons are using 3D printers to create custom implants and prosthetics that perfectly fit a patient's body. They can even print models of organs to practice complex surgeries beforehand, improving outcomes. 5. You can 3D print houses. Construction companies are experimenting with large-scale 3D printers that can build homes quickly and affordably. These printers use concrete or other building materials, and they can be a game changer for addressing housing shortages. 6. 3D printing is used in aerospace. Companies like Boeing and Airbus use 3D printed parts in their aircraft. These parts are often lighter and stronger than traditionally manufactured components, which improves fuel efficiency and performance. 7. You can even 3D print food? While it's not widespread yet, chefs and food scientists are exploring 3D printing to create intricate designs and customized meals. Imagine printing a cake with perfectly shaped layers, or a pizza with personalized toppings. 8. 3D printing is empowering small businesses and entrepreneurs. It allows them to create prototypes, manufacture products, and test new ideas without investing in expensive tooling or machinery. This levels the playing field and fosters innovation. 9. 3D printers are becoming more affordable. While industrial-grade printers can still cost a fortune, desktop 3D printers are now available for a few $100s. This makes the technology accessible to hobbyists, students, and educators. 10. 3D printing is environmentally friendly in some ways. It can reduce waste by only using the material needed for a specific object. It can also enable local manufacturing, which reduces transportation costs and emissions. Of course, there are also environmental concerns related to the materials used and the energy consumption of the printers. So it's a complex issue. If you found today's video helpful, please subscribe and like. Thanks.